Hey guys, welcome to the 8th lesson of this series. We hope you are excited. Today's new lesson is based on Ektaal. It has 12 matras. The breakup is there in two ways. First, the matrik, which is 2/2/2/2/2/2/2. Second, trimatrik, which is 3/3/3/3. And in today's lesson, we will follow the first order, that is the matrik. The bowl for today's lesson is Dhin dhin dhage trikete dhun na katta dhage trikete dhin dha dha. Now it's time to go and have a look into the lesson. But before we go there, if you are new to this channel and like the content we post, then go and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you'll not miss any updates when we upload a new video. Let's get started. In today's lesson, the tempo will be 140 BPM. The pitch will be B2. In today's new lesson, we will teach you how to play the alankar in vilambit lay, that is slow speed, and madhya lay, that is medium speed. Now let's look at the alankar which we are going to learn today to play it with the harmonium. These alankars are very important, therefore kindly focus onto it, as these alankars will train your fingers so that you can play the harmonium thoroughly. You can note down the alankars in your notebook. At first, vilambit lay, ascending order, and descending order. Note, starting beat for this alankar in vilambit lay is 1. Let's see how does it sound when we play it in the harmonium. Well, that was vilambit lay. Next up, madhya lay. The alankar for madhya lay is same as vilambit lay. The difference is that in vilambit lay, each line gets completed in 12 beats. For madhya lay, each line should get completed in 6 beats. Note, starting beat for the alankar in madhya lay is 7th beat. That is Dhin dhin dhage trikete thun na kat. Kat is the starting beat. Let's see how does it sound when we play it in the harmonium. Well, that was Madhyalay. With that, today's lesson ends here. If you have any queries, then feel free to contact us. You will find the contact details down in the description. We hope you have learned a new thing today. And don't forget to drop a like to the video and share it with your family and friends. Tune in with us in the next video with the 9th lesson of the Harmonium tutorial. To be notified when we upload the next video, go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon. You can follow us over Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.